Ever wondered why some diabetic patients experience tingling, numbness, or pain in their hands and feet? It's a condition known as diabetic neuropathy. This is a type of nerve damage that occurs when high blood sugar levels injure nerves throughout your body, particularly in your legs and feet. Symptoms can range from pain and numbness in your extremities to problems with your digestive system, urinary tract, heart, and blood vessels. Understanding and managing this condition is crucial for your well-being. Now that you have a basic understanding, it is time to uncover how to prevent diabetic neuropathy. Tip number 1 is to control blood sugar levels. It sounds simple, but it's critical. You see, when blood sugar levels are not managed properly, glucose builds up in the bloodstream. Over time, this excess glucose can lead to nerve damage, a condition known as diabetic neuropathy. Now imagine your nerves as the electrical wiring of your body, transmitting signals to and from different parts. Damage to these pathways can lead to a myriad of problems, from numbness and pain to more severe complications. So, how do you control your blood sugar levels? Regular blood sugar monitoring is essential. It helps you understand how different factors like food, exercise, and medication affect your glucose levels. In addition, maintaining a healthy diet low in sugars and high in fiber and whole grains can help manage your blood sugar levels. Remember, controlling your blood sugar levels is the first step towards preventing diabetic neuropathy. Moving on to tip number 2, regular exercise. Exercise is like a magic potion for your body. When you engage in physical activities, your body uses up glucose, helping to keep your blood sugar levels in check. But that's not all. Regular exercise can also benefit your nerves. It improves circulation, ensuring that your nerves receive a good supply of oxygen and nutrients. This, in turn, promotes healthier nerve function, and can help to delay or even prevent the onset of diabetic neuropathy. So, how can you incorporate exercise into your daily routine? You don't need to run a marathon. Simple activities like brisk walking, swimming, or cycling for 30 minutes a day can do wonders for your health. If you prefer, you can also break it down into shorter 10-minute sessions throughout the day. Remember, consistency is key. Make exercise a regular part of your life, like eating or sleeping. With regular exercise, you not only control your blood sugar levels but also improve your overall nerve health. The third and final tip is regular checkups and early detection. Now you might ask, why are regular checkups so crucial? Well, the answer is simple. Regular medical checkups can help detect any signs of nerve damage at an early stage. You see, diabetic neuropathy often starts subtly and may go unnoticed until it's well advanced. So, imagine having a tool that can help you spot these changes early, even before you start experiencing symptoms. That's the power of regular medical checkups. They offer you a chance to catch any nerve damage before it becomes severe. Moreover, early detection isn't just about spotting problems, it's also about initiating treatment promptly. Starting treatment early can prevent further damage and complications. It can halt the progression of neuropathy and save you a lot of trouble down the line. In conclusion, remember this: regular checkups and early detection are your best defense against diabetic neuropathy. So, to recap on how to prevent diabetic neuropathy faster, first, keep a sharp eye on your blood sugar levels. It's the key to maintaining your overall health. Second, don't forget the power of regular exercise. It strengthens your body and boosts your immune system. And lastly, never underestimate the importance of regular checkups for early detection. It could be a game changer in your fight against diabetic neuropathy. Take control of your health today and prevent diabetic neuropathy by incorporating these simple yet crucial tips into your life.